Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today I'm very excited to show you a unit at Kopar at Newton, one of the most prestigious and luxurious development here at Newton. If you're looking for a home as an own stay, buyer or investor in District 9, you might want to watch this to the end. So let's go check it out. Welcome to the unit, 517 square feet, 1 bed, 1 bath. You can see this layout is super efficient with no wasted space at all. As you enter the unit, you are greeted with an open concept kitchen with a nice dining area, which is good enough for a 4-seater dining table to host your friends. And over at the kitchen here, you can see that the cabinets has all been done up. You have an inbuilt oven, a hob and hood, as well as an inbuilt fridge as well. Lots of countertop space and cabinet space for you to store your stuff. A super spacious living area where you can put up to even a 3-seater sofa, and this is very rare for one bedder nowadays. Ceiling fan has also been done up. The unit is also very unblocked with lots of natural lighting coming in, making this whole space very comfortable and very brightly lit. A very nice and spacious balcony for you to sit here and enjoy the coffee and tea. And the facing here is actually east facing, so you do get a bit of morning sun, making the place brighter, and hence there's no west sun in this area. And this view actually looks out to the very nice unblocked views of Newton, and you do get some landed enclave over here, which is very unblocked as well. A very nice and spacious master bedroom that is squarish and very efficient, so you can fit up to a king size bed no problem, or queen size bed with 2 side tables. Inbuilt cabinet has also been done up by the developer, and this space is super usable, and you have a Jack and Jill door to your ensuite toilet. Being a luxury project, this toilet comes with lots of premium finishing and luxurious touches, and you can tell that this is a very upscale project. You do get a toileting area, a sink area, and a dedicated showering area. The other advantage of this unit is the efficiency of the layout. You do not have a large foyer area. Once you enter in, you are already greeted by your kitchen and your dining area, which leads seamlessly to your living area and connected to your master bathroom and your master bedroom. And you do get a nice balcony to enjoy the views. Over here at Kopar at Newton, you get a full suite of facilities. You have a gym, you have a pool, you have outdoor lounging areas, barbecue pit, and even a concierge that serves you afternoon drinks. And the clubhouse itself has function room and even has a name called Stella. And more importantly, you do have a tennis court as well. Fancy a morning coffee or tea or a refreshing afternoon lime juice? Here at Kopar at Newton, you get a facility where you can be served drinks, and only for the residents from 8 AM to 8 PM. The biggest advantage of living at Kopar Newton is its prime location. We are within 300-meter walking distance to the MRT, and at the Newton MRT, you do get access to your downtown line as well as your north-south line, which can conveniently get you to the rest of Singapore. And next door, we also have a very nice food center serving up very nice local dishes for you to enjoy. We are also within proximity to United Square and Velocity and Novena, where you get access to lots of supermarket and a lot of amenities, food and restaurants. So living here is always very convenient. So whether you are a working professional working in town, or a couple looking for a prime central home, or investor looking for a strong rental demand unit, Kopar and Newton ticks all the boxes. You have your location, you have your prestige, and you have convenience. So if you are keen to view this unit, remember to contact me, Martin, from my house at 9127-8681 for your exclusive viewing today.